So this is how the roads were before to Spiti. My helmet go. Look at Julian. I mean, you have to ride like that in a off-road condition, not like me, like driving so slow. You have to go fast. That is how you do the off-road thing. Famous for. Not because of the hi-fi roads which we have now. This is the real Spiti. This is how the road should be for an adventure. Not a complete tar road, but having a complete tar road is a good one. It gives good connectivity. So, welcome to the world's highest post office. So, this is the post office. Oops. You just get a postcard. इंटरनेशनल भी करा थे वाह क्या बात है गणपति they do it for international. You can send one postcard to your home as well. You're writing it to your mom?
Yeah.
Nice.
Say hi to your mom.
Sorry?
I'm just writing down here 14,400.
Say hi to your mom from us.
Yeah.
Yeah. Hi from Sam and Vin. Yeah. ಯಾರ್ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಬರೆಯತ್ತೀವ
ದೋಸ್ತರಿಗೆ ಮನೆಗೆ ಏನ್ ಬರ್ದಿಪ್ಪ ಅಶ್ವಾಗ
ಸುಮ್ಮ ಓದ್ಸೋದೇನೋ ಬರೆಯತ್ತೀವಿ
ಏನ್ ಬರ್ದೆ ಅದೇ ಹೇಳ
ಏನಿಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ ಹುಸುಳಿ ಮಗನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ಬೇಕಿತ್ತಂತ ಬರ್ದೆ
ನಾನು ಸೀದಾ ನಿನ್ ಸಮ ಲೆಟರ್ ಬರ್ದೆ ಸರಿ ತಕ್ಕ ತೆಗೆದಿಟ್ಕೋ ಇದನ್ನ ಮಗನ ಅಂತ
So Brent's leaving his footprint.
Vin is making his mark on the highest post office in the world. Ta-da!
Now Sam is writing the same thing. You get your post writing over here and then you go all the way to the post box which is down there. I'm gonna go there so you will see that it's very far, so I don't think you can see it now, but when I go there you will see it. Yeah, ನನ್ನ ಕಾಲ್ ಸಣ್ಣ ಹೋದವ ಬೈ ಹತ್ತಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ನನ್ನ ಕಾಲು.
Shall I show you another way? This is really okay. Pick it up, but another way of picking it up on your own, and that is you just hold this handle here, and you stand at the front wheel. You put the front brake on like this, and the whole of the handlebar is then being used as a lever, and it's very low. It's well done. Are you okay?
Yeah. My legs are too short for this. Oh shit. That's dirty. Anyways, thanks. It's skidding quite a lot, honestly. I don't know why. It should not skid like this, but it is. You okay, Julian? Take your time. Yeah, it is skidding quite a lot. The bike itself is skidding quite a lot. Yeah. Good that I saw you. Otherwise I would have fallen as well. I think the brake lever got damaged.
That's the gear.
Yeah, I got it fixed for now.
Right on the fucking ribcage.
That is where it's good. You see this? But are you okay? Okay. So this is the post office box. Anna ಹೊತ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿದ್ದ ದಬಾಶಿ ಜಾರ್ತದ ಗಾಡಿ ಹೊಳಸಿದ ದಬಾಶ್ ಬಿದ್ದಪ್ಪ ಅದ್ರ ಪಾಪ. So welcome to Indian Post Office, Hikim branch post office, and pin code is 172114. So we have all posted our posts, and it'll take some time, but posting it to one for Ashwin, one for my house, and one for my brother. But yeah, there you go. Happy man, huh? This is the achievement. We did conquer the highest post office. Matt with the This is what the real adventure looks like. Welcome to Spiti. While going, we went through a proper built road, proper damper road. While coming, we are going back in off-road. This is how it should be, really. If you are riding on an off-road bike and you're riding in an off-road city like these, or the places like this is how it should be. 1 or 2 falls is not bad, it's good. You should fall, if you ask me. Then only you will have a memory, you know. Last time when I was in Ladakh, I fell in that on the way to Nubra Valley. So this is one hell of a off-road. You know, while going up, it is more easier than getting down, because you have to constantly be braking. You have to maintain the position. I'm the last one. I have been left behind. Everyone's gone down. 100% my back tire will slip. I said you. So I have experience of 2 bikes. So I can control it better. So we had our lunch plus dinner in this Himalayan cafe. It's really good, highly recommendable. The prices are a bit high. They are more, it is a bit expensive, but it is worth the place to visit for your lunch or dinner. It was good. We four had quite a lot of food, and we paid what, 3,500, which is 35 quid. So yeah, it's all done for today. We are gonna go back to hotel, sleep off. It was a good day. Had few faults, but it was a good day.